from part 3. You see it sets episode 2. I'm not gonna talk faroese, of course. I just finished it from the last live stream, and now I'm gonna continue on episode 3, part 1. I have a gold hands. I'm becoming C3PO. What? You've never seen gold hands before? Gold fingers and stuff. Nah, just kidding. Okay, let's start this off. Next time on The Walking Dead. Wait, no, this is last time. Last time on The Walking Dead. Last time on The Walking Dead. Last time on The Walking Dead. Are you freaking serious? Last time on The Walking Dead.
Previously on The Walking Dead.
Previously on The Walking Dead, I mean. There you go.
Get the gates open! We've got wounded!
I want to know why you thought bringing more mouths to feed was a good idea.
Word's getting out that you want to leave the motor in.
Well, here isn't doing us any good. You should think about coming with us, you and Clem.
No one's trying to cut you out of anything.
Those look like the people who raided my camp.
Calm down, you're paranoid. Fuck you!
Did you tell anyone out there who you were, or that you were tied to this place?
That's right. I know who you are, and I know you're a killer.
He's not dead! Somebody help me!
Come on! We know this guy's not gonna make it.
No!
Sounds like a
Here's coal.
It's a shitload of food and supplies back here.
We have to take this.
What was that?
We need it to survive.
Don't worry, little girl.
Just a sec.
Bandits got their eye on that dairy. As long as they keep getting food from them, you'll be safe.
And now continue on The Walking Dead. I'll just want to show you my coal. This is an old collection. Whoops. This is an old collection. I just had a live stream there so I can chat. You know. Live chat. Okay. I have a lot of coal in here. Like this big one and stuff. A lot of small ones. A lot of them are broken, but there's a lot of... All of this is just coal in here. Just coal. Faroese coal. Haha, I remember this. I remember that.
Looks like this is our lucky day.
That was our coal.
Might actually go smoothly.
We deserve it after last
time. Maybe I should sing after this gameplay. Later. This is a Psalma book. No, this is not the Bible. That is the Bible I have over there. This is a lot of songs.
Lee, where do you come down on staying and going?
You mean packing up the motel and getting in the RV?
Yeah, we've been talking about it, but have you made up your mind yet?
I think we should go.
We should go. Motel's run its course, and it's not safe.
You're damn right it has. We pile into the RV and don't pull over till we see water. And if Lily's dead set on staying, then, well, that's the way it goes.
Our plane has fallen down.
Just like
Oh gosh.
Time. Over the rig, into the pharmacy, and scrape together whatever supplies are left.
We didn't leave much in there.
Hey, we're out of options. Something's better than nothing.
That's gonna break, right? I knew it.
You okay?
The ladder's come loose. I'm not sure how many more trips she's got in her.
I'm not sure how many more trips we've got in us.
No kidding.
I'll fall down if I'm going to try that. Just watch. pretty sure I will fall. Or it'll just fall off.
Looks like she's had it.
What now?
I'll find another way up.
Better get a move on.
Why don't walk on this thing? Or is that like... That's not metal? No? Wait. It's a winch here.
Lily's not doing so good, huh?
It's not good. I'm worried.
No, it's not. I hope she doesn't snap. I might have saved our lives in that meat locker, you know?
Let's see if I can move the Jeep now. Because I'm pretty sure just pushing it wouldn't work. I need to turn this thing on first. So let's see.
The girl still upset with you for agreeing to take that stuff from the station wagon?
I think she understands.
Hope so. Not like we had much choice.
Right.
Duck was asking about that guy at Herschel's farm last night.
Really? I wasn't sure it fazed him.
Of course it did.
What'd he say?
He just woke up in the middle of the night, screaming his head off. He thinks he killed Herschel's son.
Oh, Christ. I'm sorry.
Fact of the matter is, we did.
We didn't kill him.
Sure you're up
like
for this.
Lee, I'm fine. I've got this. Give me your hand.
Shit!
Oh yeah, he's still hurt.
Jesus. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Shit. I'm sorry, pal. I thought it'd be healed up better.
You're lucky it wasn't any worse. You could have...
Help me! Somebody help me! Oh God! Oh God!
What the hell is that? A walker?
Walkers don't scream, do they?
Jesus, I don't think so.
It's a girl. We have to help her.
How? There's no getting to her.
We gotta do something.
Oh no.
Gotta shoot her. Put her out of this
I
misery.
don't know we're here.
What do you mean?
I mean, we leave her alive, and she draws them all to her, buying us time. Yeah, think about it. We're always worrying about the ones we can't see. She stays alive and brings them all out of their holes.
I'm going to shoot her.
God damn it. Now look what you've done. Let's move.
But she would draw attention if it would make sense, because someone's on the other side as well, and then she's going to try to go through that door. Goodbye, she quietly says. It was a trophy.
Incoming! Come on, Lee!
Sturdy as hell, but we ain't got much time.
Get everything you can out of these racks. Don't forget underneath the counter this time. I'll clear down here and then we gotta go.
I'm gonna collect as much as I can. Let's do it. Fast, fast, fast.
Fuck! Incoming! Come on,
I got a
Lee!
lot of items though.
Up and over. We're still clear. Let's hustle. Jimmy, help!
Clicking as fast as I can. Fridge, of course.
Now, let's fucking get out!
Ouch. Hey.
Let's go, pal.
Well, that's it, I guess.
You're back. Ben found some stickers in a drawer, and I put them on my walkie.
Hey, that's neat. I'll find you in a minute.
Looks like we got the kid on watch again.
What'd you get?
We might as well leave a sign out that says the men are gone. Come and rape our women and children.
Huh.
Just
So,
kidding.
what did you get?
Lot of stuff.
We're fine, by the way.
Nice work. This'll keep us going. If we carry on like this, we'll get through the winter here.
The winter? We'll freeze our asses off here.
Because piling into an RV with you two, after what you did to my dad, is so appealing.
Why wouldn't it be? You know I'll do what it takes to keep everyone safe.
We're already safe.
Take a look at the wall, Lily. That's not graffiti. Those are bullet holes. And we got enough arrow shafts sticking out of it to dry our laundry.
We do whatever is best for the kids. Doesn't that make sense?
It's suicide out there.
We'll die in here.
You're right. You could see someone sleeping and kill one of us.
So, you two are, having a disagreement?
Cool it, Doug.
Don't boss people around.
I'm sorry. Somebody needs to make executive decisions for the group, though. And I don't think you're capable anymore.
We're strongest together. It can't be you versus us, Lily. We're sorry for what happened to your dad, but we're in this together now.
What about the food situation? What about protection? What about when this place falls? Somebody's got to be thinking about this shit.
How has this not been working? We have everything we need.
Because of me, Lily.
That's BS, Kenny. And you know
What about
it.
medicine?
What about medicine?
We deal with shit as it comes, just like we always do.
And when 15 bandits hop over that wall in the middle of the night? What then? You just gonna deal with that?
Everything that happens to us is another excuse for you.
Oh,
to
I shouldn't say
about
anything.
leaving.
Whoops.
All I want is a week of peace, of not hearing it.
We wouldn't even be fighting about our medicine and supply stocks if Lee hadn't fucked up downtown.
What do you mean?
Some girl came screaming out of an alley. She had dead hanging all over her. She was making enough noise that we would have had plenty of time to get what we needed. Instead, smart guy shot her.
He what?
He put her out of her misery. Stupid.
Instead of what? Letting her suffer?
I couldn't let her suffer.
We're all suffering.
Some more than others.
We've been putting our lives on the line doing these runs into the city. You wouldn't believe the shit we see.
We all appreciate it, Ken.
Look, Macon and its people aren't savable. It's not a town. It's full of walkers. And the people who were left are dying and wandering out onto the streets. It's hell on earth. And it's coming. This way.
It's not going to be easier out on the road.
How would you know?
What I know? I know you're not above murder. I know somebody has been stealing our supplies. That's right, stealing. And I know the list of people I can trust here gets smaller every day. Now everybody get out.
Bad blood. There was a trophy. I won't say anything.
She's right about one thing. None of this is getting any easier.
Rough day, I guess.
Yep, I've just been calling them days lately.
I don't know what it is, but it's probably worth talking to Lily about things going missing. Ever since her dad died, she's been a live wire. And now, if she's paranoid, that's a bad mix.
Yeah.
Hey, Ben.
What's up, Lee?
What do you think about Lily?
She scares the crap out of me.
It's a reasonable thing to feel.
I'm just worried she's going to snap.
Snap.
Have you seen anything weird on the watch? Is there anybody out there up to anything?
Nope. Really quiet.
Really?
Yeah, totally. Which is good.
Did you ever come down here to Macon much?
I didn't have much reason to. My parents would let me take the car into the city on the weekend. But what's in Macon? It's kind of a waste of time compared to Atlanta.
I grew up in Macon.
Oh. I didn't mean to say it's crappy or anything. It's super nice. I mean, not now, but I bet it was. Is.
Talk to you later, Ben.
Bye.
I know how people are after people, but some people say like, oh, whoa, they want to visit our country, like they're going to and stuff. People go like, why are you going to visit those whale slaughter islands and stuff? There's nothing like a whale war here. It's just normal survival. What you see is just too much brightness in the photoshopped and stuff. It's not even true. There's no war here. We have sheep, we have rabbits, we have fish, we have whales. Everything. It's just the same. And all Iceland and Greenland and stuff, they do exactly the same, just worse. It takes even longer for them. They suffer in those countries. In our country, they're dead. And still, we're the enemy. I don't get it. Well, let's see. Let's see what the dog has to say.
Hiya. Safety's always been a bit of an elusive thing for me.
I mean at the motel, as opposed to finding somewhere new.
This is talking, that is.
Whoever's out there to leave us alone, this is a good place to be. And you know, they sort of stopped attacking. Maybe they forgot about us.
What do you think about
Lily? Dark.
I don't know. I guess I'm sad. Nobody deserves to lose their parent like that.
You don't think that would make her delusional, do you?
I think it could make you anything. Nothing good.
What are you working on?
I'm just trying to focus on the wall. Anything I'd like to contribute needs batteries or tools I just don't have. I'm tearing down this furniture to patch up the wall. If we go on like this, we'll have half the Travelier piled up out here before we know it.
The wall's important.
I guess. I feel worthless on watch because I'm not wild about guns, and I just wish I was more helpful.
I'll catch you later, Doug.
More help.
Sounds like Kenny actually has that thing running. I'll believe it when I see it. Hey, you two. How you doing?
We're okay.
Just having a little spat.
We all carry guns now, and I don't like it.
It's the way it's gotta be.
I know, but I'm not getting used to it. I'm sorry. How are you, Lee?
Oh, like in America, a lot of people just wear guns in the street. Like, what? What? Are you serious? A lot of those people can't control themselves. How are they supposed to be able to have a gun? Like, that's just stupid.
You guys, trust everyone here?
More or less. I obviously have my problems with Lily, but I don't distrust her.
Yeah, we can't turn on each other any more than we have.
You need to try harder with Lily. You guys gotta straighten this out.
I don't know how straight we can get it given all that's happened.
So what then?
Time will come we'll have to do what's best for our families. And that's what we'll do.
About the guns.
Don't you start.
I just wanted to say, Kat, it's probably good they make you uncomfortable.
Thank you, Lee.
But we need them. There's no doubt about that. I'll talk to you later.
If they say we're all having guns now, where did you get that many guns? Oh,
Hey, Clementine.
I know what she's doing. She's putting the thing behind. Look. Then you can draw, and it will form like it was, like the thing that was on it. Yeah.
What do you think about Doug?
He's cool.
Cool.
He knows things.
You think he seems down?
Like sad?
Yeah.
Everyone is.
You?
I'm okay.
What's that you're working on, Clem?
It's called a leaf rubbing. My teacher, Miss Moore, showed us how to do them when we went to the botanical garden once. See? It's the same. Kind of.
Now, that's really something.
I'll make one for you, too.
Do you like it here?
I don't like it here.
Do you want to leave?
Where are we going?
Somewhere else.
I don't know. Maybe if I knew where?
Yeah, that'd be a good
Whoops.
thing to know. I'll talk to you later, Clem.
Okay.
I got an Oculus. Woo! Okay, it's actually a bit of an exclusive because they don't ship it there anymore. Like it was, I was like, why can't I see the order after I got it and everything? Like some days, it said like I haven't ordered anything. I asked, they came back and said, I look at your order and yeah, but it's true and just. But they're saying the risk they want you because they won't ship it here anymore. They put it off the list. Like, okay, I don't know. I'm not going to ask questions because, well, it could be terrible.
I'm sorry.
You don't have to apologize.
Did you come in here to give me hell or to coddle me?
I think you're coming unhinged.
You think? I'm not going to play the victim, but you and your buddy might have had a hand in my instability.
Can I do anything for you?
Haven't you... No. Yes. I could use your help. There's a traitor. Somebody, one of us, out there. He or she or they have been taking things.
For real? Who? What do you got?
Yes, for real. And I don't have shit. I just know.
Lily.
It counts off and it's the good stuff. Antibiotics, oxy, fuck, anything with opium in it.
I see the count, and it's fine.
I keep my own. That one's getting messed with. I'm a fucking mess right now, but I'm not stupid. I know what happens if I start a witch hunt.
So you want me to start one?
I want you to poke around.
What's there to go on?
What did you say?
I found this tossed into the garbage. We don't toss out equipment, we fix it. You'd only try to get rid of a flashlight if you were using it when you shouldn't.
Okay, I'll poke around a little bit.
Thank you. If you don't find anything, I'm just going to assume it's you.
I'm going to get more tea. Be right back. Tea stack. Okay, I'm back. My room is a mess. Maybe you can't see it from the screen, but wait. The base is doing things as it shouldn't. Okay. Let's see. What can I do? Can't believe everything I still have. Oh, whatever. Okay, let's. The week's half hour. Yay! Samal. Okay, let's continue. I'm just gonna check Twitter.
A mystery.
A mystery.
Jesus, Doc.
I'm sorry. I heard you guys talking.
You need to unhear all of that.
Can I help?
What did I just say?
You're the Grace detective, and I can be Dick Grayson, your ward.
Why was Lisa mad?
You can help. Don't tell anybody.
Secrecy.
Yeah, good.
What do I do?
I don't know. Go look around. Let me know if you find anything weird.
I'm on the case.
No. Come after me, Piptoons. Just kidding. What am I doing? No. No. Okay, let's see what I've got. Let's see. Back to the stream chat. So if anyone's going to say anything, I'll be able to talk.
Hey, Clementine.
Haley.
You didn't accidentally break a flashlight, did you?
No. Did Duck say I did?
No.
Yes.
Of course.
Do you guys know anything about this broken flashlight?
Fuck. We don't got many of those.
Yeah, it's a problem. The glass and the bulb are all busted out.
I saw some broken glass over by the ice machine. I meant to clean it up before the kids hurt themselves on it. I forgot, though.
Ice machine, huh? Okay. That's good to know. Let's see if Doug knows
Doug.
anything.
Hiya.
Do you know anything about this flashlight?
Well, I can tell you...
Wait. I know you know everything about this flashlight. I'm asking if you know how it got busted. Lily found it in the dumpster.
Oh, no, I don't. Well, I'll keep my eye out for some suitable parts, though. That'll give me something useful to do.
Mm-hmm. What the? No. Wait a minute. The stream should be working. The stream should be working. Okay? If not, just wait a second. The stream is working, okay. The stream is working. Whew. I thought I was in trouble there. Thanks, PlayStation. The
flashlight was broken. Was it you?
No.
You're not in trouble if it was. I know you get nervous and maybe you went out to go to the bathroom, broke it, got word and tossed it.
What's with the 3rd degree? I didn't break any flashlight.
Okay then.
3rd degree. Oh, I got a 2nd degree burn. Ouch. Well, everything is fixed now, as you can see. But I did burn all 4 fingers. Not fun. I'm not gonna tell the story, but I can show you something. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but, well, there's a scar. Yes. I got attacked when I was little by a dog. Ouch. Okay, let's continue on. Broken glass. No tea left.
Pink.
Doc.
A clue.
Maybe.
What do you think it is?
I don't think it's anything.
Maybe it's a sign.
It could be. It's pink chalk, which is weird.
Okay, back to investigating.
Isn't that was gone missing? Well, I don't know. What's going on? I'll talk to them.
Have you seen any chalk around?
Ah, yes. Clementine loves to draw with it.
Yeah, of course. I'll talk to her.
I'll tell you something very, 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 very bad. Well, people, vegetarians and stuff, that thinks we are enemies here in the Faroes because we eat meat, because holy moly, we can't survive out here without meat. Nope. The only thing that grows here is potatoes. Potatoes. Not even all year around. It's just sometimes. Potatoes. And it's not enough to survive off. We need more. We need to huge family. And the thing is that why I was talking about this is because on Facebook and stuff, people have threatened to kill us to save the whales. They have threatened to go to our country and just shoot us shoot humans. Shoot people of our country. To save whales? It's food. What? Some people brag about they're endangered. They're not. We have been studying them for years and years and centuries even. We have books that says all the years on, all the way over, copies of it. We can look through. We know everything about the whales. We know everything. We study more than anyone else. And some people say we studied in Florida or something like that, and said that they have to be saved because they're intelligent. So we have studied them for centuries. We know what we are dealing with. We know where they're coming from. We know how they are. We know what they. We know where to cut them, how to kill them, how to die. We know everything about them. We know about. If it was anything like you guys said, we wouldn't kill it. But it's nothing like what you people say. Nothing. It's just ordinary fish, giant fish, to eat. They're not endangered even. Not the kinds we kill. I heard some that sometimes gets killed somewhere else, like in Japan or somewhere, are endangered. We don't kill anything that's endangered species. Everything we kill is something that grows, not that loves. Yes, something like that. Keep that in mind. We are not idiots over here. We're not. We don't go out there like we're meat and stuff and oh my gosh, buy women or something like people say out there from Denmark or something. They said reports to people that we buy women or something like that. That's not even true. Like, come on. You believe that shit? Sorry about the language, but you seriously believe that we buy women? How can you believe something like that? We're from the Viking time. Why should we buy women? We're pharaohs. We have women here too. People move to here as well and stuff, and some go away. We still have women here. So why does it? It doesn't make sense. Slavery has never been a thing here. Even the Viking times, it wasn't slavery in our country. Nothing with white and black or anything like that. But we are most likely white because it was more likely down there in African American stuff. There when slavery. I don't want to talk about that. But yeah, I have at least never seen someone brown and think about something like, why is that even the person or something? I never. I was young. Even when I was first grade, I was like, there was someone there. There was a bit brown, but why should I care? I didn't care. It was like a normal person, of course. It's still a human. I think that how the children gets like that that someone's a bit dark or something. It's because some of the things that it has seen in their life, like in TV, or parents have been talking about something, and then the kids remembers that in the head. And when they sees that, they're like, whoa, that's a monkey or something. Like, no, of course not. I've never been like that. I didn't even think about the skin color. You could still be friends, like nothing. It's like humans still. I don't get it. No, let's continue on with the game. I'm rambling too much. Let's see.
Hey, Clementine.
Hey, Lee.
Do you have any pink chalk?
No, it's gone somewhere. Do you want blue?
No, it's okay.
Psst, Lee. I found something.
What is it?
I found this piece of pink chalk and a scuff of it over by the gate.
Really?
Totally. I was combing the scene for clues.
Yeah,
and...
Duck, I got it. Good job.
High five.
Cool.
What is he doing now?
Have you found anything else?
Just the chalk. I also found some bugs underneath the stairs. Don't tell Clementine.
Okay, I won't.
Because Clementine puts it, yeah.
You didn't break the flashlight, did you, Duck?
No, Mom and Dad won't let me touch any of their stuff. Lily neither.
That's probably for the best. You seem to know a bit about all of this. The chalk, you found the scuff here. This is gonna sound crazy, but you're not involved, are you?
No, I'm a good guy.
Stay inside the gate.
I will.
Somebody was over here, too.
See, I did good, huh?
Yeah, Duck, you did. I suppose I should go out there and look around. You stay here this time. Seriously.
Okay.
How long was the other live stream? Like hours or something? Because I've been playing for hours.
Those bandits gave us hell, but they've been quiet for days now.
I love how it just... Oh, wait a minute.
There's a grate down there.
Could be something inside. Oh, there's a bag. Could be some of the supplies. Probably. Yep, there's supplies.
You haven't come up with anything, have you?
I came up with this. It's got a bunch of meds in it. It was in a grate on the outside wall. And there's a sign on the other one.
Holy fuck.
Yeah.
Okay, we line everybody up. Everybody. Somebody is killing us. Stealing from that supply is the same as slipping into your room at night and cutting your throat while you sleep. You die. What is the difference? What if Clementine gets sick and we don't have what we need?
Holy moly.
What the hell?
Calm a bit down.
Fucking steal from us.
Yeah, it was the
Who the fuck
bandits.
is that? Got people out there.
We ain't fucking around.
What do we do?
Oh,
Lily.
shit. They're gonna start kicking indoors any second.
Lily, what the hell are you...
Stall him.
What?
Just keep him talking. Do whatever it takes to stop him pulling the trigger.
You made the biggest mistake of your life.
Shit.
Enough of this bullshit. Drew, stop putting your boot to these doors. Yeah. Hold it, asshole.
Take it easy. We have more supplies. We can keep the deal going.
Too late, shithead. We ain't giving second chances.
It was a mix-up. We'll make it worth your while.
I'm listening.
What will it take to reach a deal?
About twice as much as you've been giving us.
You got it. Done.
Is that so? Well, I suppose we ought to hash out some terms then.
I don't like no hash.
And shut up, Ross! Christ!
Oh, shit!
Uh-oh. Oh my! Right in the butt. Wait, what? He's still alive? It goes through the... Oh, whatever. He has no chance of survival if he gets shot through the butt.
Get those bastards! Cover our people and get them to the RV! Go around, shit, with Drake. He's back there.
Now, get over here, hurry!
I'll have to go to the other side.
Get inside!
Help!
Gotcha! Hang on!
Where is he? He's hiding behind that van. Get your ass to the right.
What the fudge? Whoa, 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 whoa. I freaking shot him.
Gotcha! Hurry, come on! Cliff, get inside the RV. It's gonna be okay. Go!
Oh, Christ!
Lily, get in the
She
RV.
didn't get bitten.
Screw her! Let her stay! Please, Walker!
Kenny, hurry up with that thing.
The right bell! Bell! Left side! Left!
The bells. Oh my gosh, it works so good. It like just a ding in your ears. And what side it is. Whoops.
Doug?
Solenoid!
Lily, last chance. Get down here.
Shit!
There you go. Hit the road. It's a trophy.
Jesus, are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm
Oh
fine.
shit, oh shit, oh shit.
I'm sorry.
Calm down. We need to figure out why this happened.
Nobody died. We're okay, right? Katya, you're okay?
We just lost everything.
But we have our health. Cat's head is split open.
I'm fine.
Somebody in here caused this.
Settle down back
It
there.
seemed like
For weeks.
it seemed like Doug got bitten.
Somebody's working with them. Whoever it was slipping them our meds. They didn't get their last package, so they attacked.
Calm down back there. That's nuts.
Lee found a bag of supplies hidden outside the wall.
It's true.
So, Ben, I think we need to talk.
Whoa, what? Lily, let's think about this logically, no?
Logically, the new guy who could have easily been a plant, I think that's pretty logical, Doug.
You think I'd do
Calm
anything
down.
to hurt you guys?
Don't play dumb. Were you hoping they'd eventually kill us all and you could join them?
No one's at fault. No one is selling us out.
And how do you explain what you found?
I don't know.
Somebody did this, Lee.
I
What
didn't
the-
do it. Really, honest.
I know I don't get wrapped up in the politics around here, but we really need to think before we start stringing somebody up.
Doug, I
Blocked
appreciate
me?
your concern, but we have all the
Why?
evidence.
I didn't do
You
anything.
have evidence?
No, not here. But Lee found the meds. We found an entire signaling system. Chuck,
Signaling system?
Let's just let it go. People make mistakes, and yeah, this is a fucking doozy. But it's not worth it living.
Why
what
did
do
Beth
you not forgive? Honestly, tell me. Kenny
block
can
me?
kill my dad. Ben can steal from us. Where's the line?
Just let me out of the car. I'll go. I didn't do it, but I'll go.
Good. That sounds great.
Lily, look at him.
Fuck. Jesus, I didn't.
Look me in the eyes and tell me you didn't have anything to do with it.
Shit!
What's going on up there?
I hit something. We gotta stop.
All right, well,
I think someone's going to be shot now. This is not good.
Kenny. Kenny, the RV has some surface damage, but there's a walker trapped underneath.
God damn it. Everyone keep your eyes peeled.
You know what? We shouldn't just kick you out. We should hear what everybody
I think you
thinks.
should chill out. Please, look, it wasn't me. Please stop accusing me.
I'm really sorry you're upset, Ben. Just tell us you did it.
I'm not doing this.
Come on, Lee. You're the one who found them. You can't just abstain.
Fuck all that. This is nuts. We're out here on the side of the road.
Okay, fine then. Kenny?
I don't know. Fuck. Just stop, would you?
Well, your vote counts for you and Katja.
We don't need all these votes.
There.
What do I have to do for you to trust me? I'll do anything. I'll do watches for months.
Huh, the hell you will.
I'll get more food, more medicine, anything.
You think any of that is good now?
He's broken, Lily.
I can see that.
Do we need any more evidence than this?
Evidence or not, this isn't any way to treat one of us.
I've heard enough out of you, okay, Doug? Kenny, what's it gonna be?
Just give me a damn minute.
Ben, you have until Kenny kills that walker to tell me it was you.
No!
Ben!
Lily!
This is about trust, and I've never trusted you.
Please, let's just get back in
That's
the RV.
not happening.
I can't handle this. There. I got him. Now, what the fuck's the problem?
Ben!
No!
I knew it. Someone would get shot.
Drop it. Holy fuck.
Kenny, what's happening?
Keep duck away from the windows. Jesus Christ. Get in. We're leaving this crazy bitch.
I didn't mean to. It wasn't supposed to be him.
You're not coming with us.
I wouldn't let someone
Die
with
out
that
here.
just murdered someone.
I don't care.
You're a murderer, Lily. We can't have you with us.
I'm a murderer? You've had Lee with you this whole time.
What are you talking about?
He didn't tell you. He killed someone before all of this. He was a convicted murderer.
Well, it was
Is that true, Lee?
protection, most likely.
Yes.
Fucking hell. Were you ever gonna get around to telling me that? You got a little girl with you. To hell with it. Get in, Lee. Let's go, you guys.
I don't have anything left.
Ben must be really scared now. Like, he was just about to die. Oh no. Someone's still watching, hello. Talk in the chat if you want.
Lee, a word, please.
Something tells me Doug is bitten. Like I said before.
What's up? Is Doug feeling all right? What the fuck?
Happened during the raid.
He's gonna turn.
We don't know that.
Gotcha.
What do we really know? None of us have been bitten. We don't know what the time frame is for a child. We know nothing. I'm going to monitor him and focus on the wound and see if his condition changes.
We keep the same plan unless something changes. East.
Guys.
What else is there to do? We thought you should know.
Not that you've ever afforded us that type of luxury.
Anyway, if you could tell Clementine, we would appreciate it.
Someone's going to have nightmares tonight. Not me. I mean, in the game.
Duck is bitten.
Huh?
He got bit by a walker trying to escape the motel.
I don't feel good. What about Doug?
Gone, but won't come back.
Because he was shot in the head.
That's right. It's horrible.
Yeah, it is.
I'm glad I have you.
Me too. I heard you outside my treehouse that day and thought about dropping a hammer on your head.
That's nice.
What? Why?
In case you were up to no good. Before you, there was this other guy. He was yelling and trying to get into my house. He wanted to take the TV and tried to break the glass door with a rock. Then some walkers came and scared him away.
Oh
Door was
gosh.
open.
He was dumb.
A basic white person. Oh, well, I'm just kidding. I can never offend anyone, I'm white myself. What the heck?
Holy shit! Get off of me!
Oh, I knew some would have nightmares. I knew it. I knew someone would have nightmares. How did I know?
Damn it. Road's blocked. Now we gotta deal with this.
What? No, what now? It's a trophy. This is what now. What now? It's actually a good time to be inside, even though there's no school.
Doesn't look like it.
It's storm anyways. I think we would have no school anyways.
Seems like a safe area. All this brush will stop anything from creeping up on us.
In a while I'll stop live streaming. And I might just go do something else. I don't know.
Everyone else relax.
I should just play games because it's not
Cat, okay?
it's not fine to go outside. I can show you. I may be showing you later.
I think Duck's a bit dehydrated.
It's a freighter, hon. Be careful in there.
What? You think there might be something dangerous inside an abandoned locomotive? Hadn't crossed my mind.
Ben probably still probably did it actually, but you shouldn't go like that on him. He didn't kill a person.
You, happy you stayed with us all this time?
Yeah.
Really?
It's with you guys or dead. I would have died out there in the woods, just like my classmates.
You think this is better?
Yeah, of course.
What would you have done with Lily?
I don't know. Left her? I've never seen anybody kill someone like that before.
Yeah, you've seen
I don't
enough
think
other
it's
stuff
right.
by now.
Yeah, but not like that.
Was it you?
Not this again.
Was it?
No!
Okay then.
Oh, father, think I shouldn't say that anyway. I actually thought more about quit, but I asked anyway.
Shit, think they're gone?
I hope so, but this looks recently used. Be on the lookout and have your guard up.
How long has I been streaming? Oh gosh, 1 hour still. Okay, I think I'll just end it right here, right now. I might take a nap after this, or just be on the thingy. So no, I have a better idea. See you all next time on The Walking Dead Part 2 in episode 3. Well then, that's just